Health hack. Here's the optimal exercise program according to science. It's actually not one type of exercise, but 3 types. Low intensity every day, medium intensity every other day, and high intensity once a week. So let's break that down. So the first type of exercise is low intensity steady state, or what's called LISS. And the best form of that is walking. Now, the average American, unfortunately, is pretty sedentary and only averages about 3,000 steps a day. Now, the normal person walks about 1,000 steps in 10 minutes. So that's about 30 minutes of exercise. But we know that the optimal amount of walking is about 8,000 steps, or about 80 minutes. So where do you get that extra 5,000 steps or that 50 minutes of walking from? So instead of doing one long walk, what I recommend is actually breaking it up all throughout the day. So if you're working, what I recommend is take a 5 to 10 minute break at the end of every hour, so that if you're sitting in front of a computer like most people, you can get up and take a mental and physical break by going on a short 5 to 10 minute walk. And in fact, there's really good research that it shows that it has health benefits as well. So in one study published in Diabetes Care, individuals that took a 10-minute walk at the end of every meal regulated their blood sugar levels better, and it reduced their risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Second type of exercise is medium intensity exercise that you should be doing 3 to 5 times a week, or about every other day. That specifically should be muscle strengthening or resistance training. That's done 3 to 5 times a week, or ideally every other day. Now that can take the form of traditional weightlifting if you have a gym, but even if you don't go to a gym regularly, you can do that at home in the form of body weight strength training, power yoga, or even Pilates. Anything that provides a resistance to the muscles and will strengthen your bones, which is important for both men and women in terms of increasing their bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you get older. Finally, you should do high intensity exercise at least once a week. Human beings are born to run. We probably evolved as persistence hunters. And so that means we need to do some sort of running motion, ideally sprinting if you're up for it. So if you like to sprint or run hills, that is optimal, but you can also do it in the form of sports that are often more enjoyable for most people. Really good examples are basketball, tennis, soccer, anything that involves a running motion and has a natural interval of speeding up and slowing down are really great ways of building your cardiovascular capacity and keeping your heart healthy. So to summarize, the optimal exercise routine has low intensity exercise, which is walking at least 80 minutes or 8,000 steps every day, medium intensity of muscle strengthening or resistance training 3 to 5 times a week, and at least 1 day a week of high intensity exercise. And with all that combined, that will help optimize your health and performance. Hope that was helpful in getting you closer to your health goals. Comment below if there's anything that you want me to break down in future health optimization videos.